أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين بتراب مقدم الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, hope everyone is well. Everyone can hear me, yes?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Brilliant. Right, so we were on exercise number, we did exercise 5 and we were going to start exercise 6 itself.
No, Maulana, I think we did exercise 2 or 3, Maulana.
We were on this exercise itself, 5.
No, Maulana, we did 3, Maulana.
Only 3.
According to me, I don't know, maybe.
No, that's fine, that's fine. It's only 2 exercises, that's fine. I checked the recording and we were on this exercise, that's fine. Okay, as you're on, Dr. Mustafa, you got your hand up. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, right. Sister Sadiqa, can you come on the mic and kindly do for me this part? So, first of all, Laysa. What is Laysa?
Laysa is negative, isn't it? It's, I don't have, like.
Yep. And what was the ruling of Laysa? So, for example, I'll give you over here.
Remember, there are 2 situations that a noun gets a kasra or kasrat al-noon. What are those 2 states? Not a maf'ul.
Go ahead. Sadiqa, go ahead. Unmute yourself.
Sorry, Maulana, it was so noisy, I couldn't hear anything what you said there.
So the fact that the Laysa itself, what does Laysa do and how does it act?
Laysa, I think it acts the opposite of inna, isn't it?
Correct, correct. So
Like
there's Laysa and Laysat. And what does it do? So if I want to say, look at this example and explain with this example.
I think there are too many words.
Go ahead.
Mute everybody, please.
Sorry, what did you say, Maulana?
So what does Laysa do in a nominal sentence?
The Laysa in the nominal sentence, it changes to not to fatha, to dhamma.
So al-baytu, for example, al-baytu jadidun. So the house is
new.
Correct. And if you say the house is not new, the laysa al-baytu
jadidin.
Yeah, so they've added an additional bar with the actual the khabar bijadidin, or if the bar wasn't there, it will be laysa al-baytu jadidan. Yes, you remember that?
Yeah, yeah.
So because of the preposition, it had an example at the bottom as well, footnote. We can also say laysa al-baytu jadidan. Here the khabar has no bar and it is mansub. You will learn this later, inshallah.
Yeah.
Yep. Right, okay. Let's go through there. Now I want you to kindly go through these examples, Hamidun Talibun, and translate, please.
Which page is this one, Maulana?
This is page number 17. We're on page number 18, but it's fine. I can start from it. Go ahead.
Okay. Hamidun Talibun. Hamid is a student. Hamidun laysa bit talibin. Hamid is not a student. Tulabun Sigarun. The students are small. Tulabun Laysu Bisigarin. The students are not small. Aminatu Tabibatun. Amina is a doctor.
Correct.
Aminatu Laysat Bitabibitin. Amina is not a doctor.
Excellent.
Al-Fatayatu Mutazawajatun. The
Young
youths,
young ladies.
the young girls are married.
Mhm.
Al-Fatayatu Laysa bi Mutazawajatin. The young
Al-Fatayat.
girls.
Two lectures going on at the same time. Could you please help to sort this out?
Dr. So what's happening is that you're listening to some YouTube recording. So what you need to do, sign out from your YouTube channel and and log back in. That's what's happened, Doctor, yourself.
Al-Fatayatu Laysa bi Mutazawajatin. The young girls are not married. Anta Kabirun. Are you big? Anta Lasta bikabirin. No, I am not big.
No. Anta lasta bikabirin, correct?
Yeah. Antum jududun. Are you new? Lastum bi jududin. No, I am not new. Anta fakirun. Are you poor? Lasti bi fakiratin. No, I am not poor. Antunna mujtahidatun. Mujtahidatun. Are you
Hardworking.
working?
Mhm.
Lastunna bi limujtahidatin. No,
Correct.
I am not hardworking. Ana mudarrasun. I am a teacher. Lastu mudarrasin.
Ana
No, I
lasta.
am not to a teacher.
Correct.
Nahnu tullabun. I forgot what is tulabun, Maulana.
Students.
Oh, okay. We are students. Lasna bitullabin. No, we are not students.
Excellent. Right. Brilliant. I'm going to ask now Sister Zebunisa Kanji. Assalamu alaikum, Sister Zebunisa.
Sheikh, can I ask you a question, please?
Yes, go ahead.
This anta kabirun or antun jududun, is it a question? Like, are you big, or is it
It's a
you
statement.
are big? It's a statement. It's not a question, right?
No. Antum jududun, you are new.
Yeah. No, because she acted as she took it as question, so I was just confirming.
No. It's just a sentence
State-
with
Okay.
subject and predicate itself.
Yeah. Okay. If there was a question, it would have been anta, right?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Now, Sister Zebunisa, I want you to do 4, and Sister Zinat, as you've been, how are you, Sister Zinat, now? Are you feeling better?
Alhamdulillah, I'm better.
Okay, alhamdulillah.
Well, I
Okay.
just returned from Umrah, so I got this cough.
Right. Okay. Barakallah. Okay, Sister Zebunisa, I want you to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. But what I need you to do is this. I need you to put laysa without, so for example, al-babu mughlaqun. I don't like over here on top, we added hamidun tullabun, hamid laysa bitalibin. I don't want you to add the harf jar. I just want you to make it mansub, khabar mansub. So the ism of laysa is marfu and the khabar is mansub. And the ruling is that they've added, with regards to laysa, there's a ruling which allows the khabar to be added with a harf jar. It's additional, but there's no need of it as such. Go ahead. So the door is open. The door is not open. Bismillah.
Can you please help me with the first one?
Yep. Al-babu mughlaqun. Then I could say al-babu laysa mughlaqan. So,
Okay.
so al-bab becomes the ism of laysa, مغلقا. Fatha tanween becomes the khabar of laysa.
الماء بارد. ليس الماء باردا.
Keep the laysa in between the two words, like they have done on the top. In
Okay.
between. So you can't say, yeah. So you can say it this way. So if you see over here, Aminatu tabibatu aminatu laysat bitabibatin. So if it is with a pronoun like anta, antum, anti, then lasta, lastum will come in the beginning of the sentence.
Okay.
So nahnu tullabun lasna tullabin. So over here, at-tullabu sigharun. At-tullabu is coming first. As long as it's a noun, then it comes in the beginning. Then laysu will become the waw here will become the ism of laysa. Bisigharin will become the khabar. Go ahead now. Bismillah. Number 2.
الماء بارد. الماء ليس باردين. باردا.
Correct. Translation.
The water is not cold.
Correct.
هشام مريض. هشام ليس مريضا.
Correct.
Hisham is not sick. Abi naimun. Abi naimun. My father is sleeping. Abi laysa naiman. My father is not sleeping. Ad-darsu su'abun.
Sa'bun.
Su'abun.
Mhm.
The lesson is difficult. Ad-darsu laysa su'abun. Lesson is not difficult.
Correct.
Al-masjidu qaribun. The mosque is near. Al-masjidu laysa qariban. The mosque is not near. At-tiflu jaw'anun. At-tiflu jaw'anu. The child is hungry.
Yep.
So tiflu here, so it will come with ba.
Yep.
So
No, there's no need. No, there's no need. So you could say again. Say the Arabic.
At-tiflu laysa jaw'anu.
So a tiflu laysa, it could be jo'ana because it's a ghayr munsarif noun. So alif, whenever a noun enters the alif noon, it only takes in halatul raf a fatha, in halatul nasb and halatul jar, it takes a fatha. Now here, they've added the harf jar. Can you see ba here? Be jo'ana.
So at-tiflu laysa jaw'ana.
Jo'ana or be jo'ana if you're going to add the harf jar as well.
Jaw'ana. Okay, done.
Brilliant. Right, okay. I'm going to ask next person. Sister Zenith, as you've been away for a few lessons, can you come on the mic? Would you like to come, or you want to take a rest today as you just come back from Umrah?
I can try. I can try.
Bismillah. So I want you to rewrite the following sentence using laysa as shown in the example. So, huwa tajirun. So you can say either huwa laysa bitajirin. So you can bring huwa first, then laysa bitajirin harf jar. And if you did not want to bring, if you don't want to bring harf jar, you just say
tajiran.
tajiran, correct?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. Number 1, as-sayyaratu jamilatun. The car is beautiful. As-sayyaratu laysa bijamilatin, or as-sayyaratu laysa jamilatan.
So the word sayyara is feminine, so make a sayyaratu laysa.
Oh, laysat, yeah, sorry. As-sayyaratu laysat bijamilatin.
Correct.
Okay. Ana ganiyun. I am rich. Ana laysa, because I'm a female, I say ana laysat biganiyin.
No. When it comes to ana, there's no differentiation between masculine and feminine.
Okay.
So ana lasto.
Lays. Oh, lastu.
Yeah, ana lastu.
Ana lastu biganiyin.
So yes, with the adjective, the khabar, you will make that feminine. Ana lastu ghaniyatan or
Oh,
bighaniyatin.
yatim. Okay. Ana lastu biganiyatin.
Mhm.
Because I'm a female, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Okay. Anta fakirun. You are poor. Anta laysa bifakirin.
No, laysa is not laysa because you're talking
Again,
about
lastu.
lasta.
Oh,
It's antana.
lasta.
Lasta is for you.
Oh, lasta. Okay. Lasta. Okay. Anta lasta bifakirin. Okay. Here min Iraq. Here. What is here? She? No.
Yeah.
She? She is from Iraq?
Yep.
Okay. Here min Iraqi. Here lastu
Laysa.
laysat. Okay. Here laysat min Iraqi.
Correct.
Okay. Nahnu adkiyaw. Nahnu is we.
Yep.
Okay. Adkiyaw. I don't know what adkiyaw.
Azkiya means intelligent.
Okay.
Zakiyun,
Okay.
azkiya.
Okay. Nahnu adkiyaw. We are intelligent. So it will be nahnu. Again, lastu?
Lasna. Lasna.
Lasnu. Okay. Nahnu lasnu adkiyai. Huwa adabu. Adabu is
Adabun is bachelor.
Should it be
bachelor.
lasna?
Okay.
Should
So-
it be lasna nahnu askiyaw? Lasna?
Yeah, for nahnu, it would be nahnu, lasna, azkiya,
E.
correct, doctor? If it's
Okay.
without harf jar, then it'd be nahnu, lasna, azkiya,
Adkiya.
or
Okay.
be azkiya as well. But because
Okay.
this is a dip tone noun again,
Okay.
ending alif noon, it will be both cases with a fatha.
Okay. Huwa azabu. Okay, he is a bachelor.
Yep.
Huwa laysa bi-adabi.
Be azabin. So there should be kasra tanween on the dhamma tanween azabun. Huwa laysa azaban or huwa laysa bi azabin.
Why tanween?
Because azabun, it's a normal noun. It's not a dip tone noun. Only
Okay, but it doesn't have a tanween here. It's azabu.
yeah, it's a mistake. It should have a tanween.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you. Jazakallah. Let me get someone else on the mic now. I'm going to ask.
Thank you.
Thank you. So who I'm going to ask now? So it will be, I think, Doctor yourself, and then after Doctor, I'll then bring Sister Sakina, Khalfan, Sakina, and then the other Sister Sakina, and then I'll bring the rest of the students on the mic. Bismillah, Doctor. Number 7, Al-Mudarrisuna. Unmute yourself, Doctor. Dr. Rahim, can you unmute yourself?
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Al-Mudarrisuna fil fusul. Lastu.
No, lastu.
Al-Mudarrisuna fil fusuli.
Now, there's a mistake, Doctor. Al-Mudarrisuna is they. The Al-Mudarrisuna, when names are mentioned, they will be treated as third people in a conversation. So it will be laysa, laysa, laysu. So
laysu. So
yes.
laysu, not lastuna. Laysu. Thank you.
Let me show you over here. Over here, we did this as well. At-tullabu sigharun. The students are young. Then we say at-tullabu laysu bi-sigharin.
Okay. All right. Shall I go on to the next one?
No, correct. Start again.
Al-Mudarrisuna fil fasli.
Yep.
That right?
Yes, that's right. Al-Mudarrisuna laysu fil fusuli. Correct.
Anti zakiyun. Lastunna zakiyan.
No, anti, Doctor, is it plural or singular?
Anti is a singular.
So why do you say lastunna? Lastunna is plural.
Lastu. Lastuni. No. Lastna.
Last-
Lastna.
No, lasna is we. It should be lasti.
Lasni.
Lasti. Here, doctor, look at this one here.
Yeah.
Anti fakiratun. Anti lasti be fakiratin. Lasti be fakiratin.
Ahsant.
So, it should be anti
Lasti.
lasti dhakiya tan
Zaki.
or be dhakiyatin if you add the harf jar with the khabar.
Ahsant.
Next one.
Antum kibarun. Lastu.
Nope.
Lasta kibarun.
Nope. Check again, doctor. Antum.
Antum is
las-
plural. Yeah. And lastunna
Not
kibarun.
lastunna is you all females, doctor. Antum is masculine.
So lastum kibarun.
Exactly.
Lastum kibarun.
Antum lastum
Kibarun.
kibaran.
Kibaran.
Khabar.
Yes. The object.
Khabar. Yes.
Khabar, yes.
Or bikibarin if you add the preposition.
Ahsant.
Continue.
الطالب في المكتب ليس الطلاب في المكتب means the student is in the library. لست الطلاب في المكتب.
Now here, الطالبات is female, plural.
Oh, female. So lasti.
Not
Lasti.
lasti. It should be they all
Lasna.
females, not correct. Lasna. الطالبات لسنا
لسنا الطالبات في الفصل.
في المكتبة.
في المكتبة.
Correct. Number 11.
And then the last one is Antunna Talibatun Judurun. Means you are new students. Lastunna Tulabun Judadan.
Talibatan.
Talibatan Judadan. Talibatan Judadan.
So the word now, remember the ruling of the sound, masculine plural. Now let me show you these again. Let me show you this again. Give me 1 second. Now the sound, just point 1 second. The sound masculine plurals, when they are in the case of raf, nasb, and jar, the i'rab. Who remembers it? Sister Sakina?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
What was the i'rab for the sound feminine plurals?
So it's Dhamma and then Fatha and Fatha.
Give me an example, please, if you can.
So Muslimatun.
Give me an example. Give me an example. So, for example, if you want to say the Muslims, ladies came, how would you say that?
Al-Muslimat.
I'll give you on the screen for you. There you go.
Okay.
Hunna.
Hunna Muslimatun.
Correct. So that's halatul raf. So whenever the Muslimatun is coming as a khabar, they always take a dhamma tanween. And when it comes as halatul nasb, as an object of a verb, then would it take a fatha tanween or a kasra tanween?
Kasra tanween.
Why? Why?
So in this case, the alif and the ta, the kasra represent the.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the correct answer. So because of the sound feminine plural, now the sound feminine plural, instead of taking a fatha tanween, the kasra tanween on the alif and the ta itself. Alif and ta is a sound feminine plural. In this scenario, the kasra tanween represents a fatha tanween as being the object of a verb itself. And same scenario happens in halatul jar. Like halatul nasb, it takes a kasra tanween. In halatul jar, also takes a
Kasra tanween.
yes. So only from the context you will understand from the verb whether the verb is going to be an object or ba is harf jar is causing it to take the kasra tanween. So over here now, in this text, where it says, so antunna, what should be the correct answer?
Lastunna.
Lastunna.
Yep.
Should be lastunna.
Then khabar should be mansub.
Tilabatun jududun.
Sorry, talibatan. What is it?
Then
What's the answer? Anyone? So Sakina, answer it, please.
Lastunna bitalibatin.
Jududin.
And then the word judud, how would that come?
Jududan.
Jududin.
Jududin.
And if the ba harf jar wasn't with bitalibatin, how would you say it? Antunna, lastunna.
Talibatin.
Correct. So the kasra tanween is instead of the fatha tanween as being the khabar of lastunna. And judud, the word judud, it will take a fatha tanween because it's a standard noun. It's not a sound feminine plural. Even though judud talibatin takes a kasra tanween, jududan will take a fatha tanween because it's coming as an adjective for the khabar. Which, yes, doctor.
Ahsant. Do I continue?
Right, okay, that's done. I'm not going to do the next exercise because that's not that important.
Maulana, can I just ask you a question? Fusuli, what does that mean in class?
Fil fasuli, where's it gone? Okay,
Al-mudarrisuna.
The teachers are in the classrooms.
Fusuli means classroom,
Yeah,
right?
faslun, fa, or the lam means classroom, and classrooms is plural, fasuli. Right, next exercise I'm not going to do because I don't think that's important. What I'm going to do next week, write the sentence to use it in now. We're not going to do that as well. Okay, I'm going to move on. Only things I'm going to do is what I think is important. Right, next lesson number. Okay, this is an important lesson. I need to go through. And what I'm going to do first is this. I'm going to go through the numbers and then I will go through the actual points to remember. So I'm going to ask Sister Sakina, as I ask yourself to go through this now, Sister Sakina. Now, these are the numbers now from 11 to 20. 11 to 20, okay? Now, ahada, so Bismillah, go through the numbers and explain what you can, and then I'll ask you questions. Is that okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Number 11.
Sorry.
Okay, this is lesson number 3, page number 28.
Thank you.
Exercise 8.
Number 11. أحد عشر طالبا. And 12. إثنى عشر طالبا. So these two, they both, the number, both agree with the thing that is being described.
MashaAllah. Excellent. I didn't expect you to answer that. I thought you would have forgot that. That's excellent. Yeah, numbers 1 and 11 and 12, they correspond with the thing which has been counted. The unit and the 10, both of them will be masculine or both of them will be feminine depending upon what is being counted. Excellent. Excellent. Bismillah, continue.
And then the rest of them are different. So from 13, it's ثلاثة عشر طالبا. So the first part, the ثلاثة is feminine, and then ashara is masculine, and that matches to taliban, which is masculine. So the second part of the number agrees with the thing that is being counted.
Excellent.
So 14 is arba'ata ashara taliban. So again, you have feminine for arba'ata, masculine ashara, and taliban masculine. 15 خمسة عشر طالبا. So خمسة is feminine, عشرة is masculine, and طالبا is masculine. 16 ستة عشر طالبا. ستة is feminine, عشرة is masculine, and طالبا is masculine. 17 سبعة عشر طالبا. سبعة is feminine, and عشرة طالبا is masculine. 18 ثمانية عشر طالبا. ثمانية is feminine, عشرة طالبا is masculine. تسعة عشر طالبا is 19. تسعة is feminine, and then عشرة طالبا is masculine. And 20 is 20 طالبا.
Excellent. Excellent. Jazakallah for that. Thank you for that. Right. Now, I'm going to go through the points to remember, just to clarify everything, if there's anything not understood by anyone. So, let's just right. I'm going to ask Sister Sukaina Khalfan, and then Sister Mukarrama and Sister iPad. I don't know whose iPad.
Alaikum.
Alaikum Assalam. How are you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Everything clear so far?
Yeah.
Bismillah. Go ahead.
You want me to read the comparative and the superlative degrees?
Exactly.
1 second. Comparative and superlative degrees of the adjective. Adjectives in the comparative degree are on the pattern of af'alu, like ajmalu. More beautiful, ahsanu. Better, asgharu. Smaller, aqdamu, is older. As we have already learned, words on this pattern are diptotes and so have no tanween. Af'alu is followed by min. An example is Hamidan atwalu min Bilalin. Hamid is taller than Bilal.
So here's Sister Sukaina. Now, what type of noun is this? Is this going to be a comparative or superlative degree?
Atwalu would be a superlative, right?
No.
Comparative, sorry.
Yes. So whenever there's two people, then it's comparative.
Yes.
And if it's saying that he is the best of all of them, then it's superlative.
Okay.
I'll show you the ones which are superlative. Continue.
Af'alu is the same for masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. For example, Bilalun atwalu, right?
Yep.
Atwalu min aminata.
Correct.
So Bilal is taller than Amina.
Excellent.
So Aminata actually is not getting a kasra.
Why?
Because it's a diptote, right?
Correct. So because it's a noun ending with a time marbuta, all names of females or boys end with a time marbuta, they are diptone nouns. So in halatul raf, dhamma, halatul nasb, halatul jar, instead of a kasra, they take a fatha.
Okay. Aminatu atwalu min Bilalin. Amina is taller than Bilal. Abna'u atwalu min al-banati. The sons are taller than the daughters. Al-banatu atwalu min al-abna'i. Minal.
Yep.
Okay. The daughters are taller than the sons.
Correct.
Note the following examples wherein min is followed by a pronoun. You are better than I. Anta ahsanu minni. I am shorter than you. Ana aqsaru minka. I am shorter than you. هم أكبر منا
Sinnan.
سنا. They are older than we.
So this is trying to give you an example of two ways. So you can either have names after min, Bilal, Banat, and so forth, or what you can do is that we can have pronouns after minna. So the min and the ya is minni from me, minka from you, minna from us, and sinnan is coming as a with a fathat and min itself. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Right. Thank you for that. Any questions on that? No? Okay, that's fine. Jazakallah. Then I'm going to ask the next person, Sister Mukarrama Walji. Alaikum, Sister Mukarrama. And then Sister Sharabano, is she here? Yeah, okay, as well. Sister Mukarrama Walji, are you there? I've just posted in the group, WhatsApp group, book 4 as well. So we got the book for Medina Arabic. Now, I don't know. What do you want me to first of all finish off all of this revision, and how is everyone finding it? Just one question: do you want me to continue with the revision, finish all of the revision, and then start book 4, or do you want me to arrange book 4 a different day and we do the revision of book 3 as well at the same time?
We do the revision first.
Okay, you want to do the revision first? That's fine. Go ahead, Sister Mukarrama.
Shall I start, Sheikh?
Yes, hello. Go ahead, Sister Mukarrama.
Af'alu is also used for the superlative degree. In this case, it is followed by a majrur noun. Ibrahim ahsanu talibin fil madrasati. Ibrahim is the best student in the school.
So can you see the difference here now? Over there, it was min. The word min has come. Then, but here it's ahsanu, and the word ahsanu is coming mudaf, and talibin is coming mudaf ilay. So when it comes in that form, mudaf ilay, then it comes in the meaning of superlative degree, that he's the best. Yes, Sister Mukarrama, clear?
Okay. Yes.
So if it's minka, then it's comparative. But if the ahsanu is coming as mudaf ilay, then it's af'alu tafdil, the superlative degree. He is the best.
Okay.
Continue.
Al-Azharu aqdamu jami'ati fil alami. Al-Azhar is the oldest university in the world.
Correct.
Akbaru talibatin Fatimatu akbaru talibatin fi faslina. Fatima is the eldest student in our class. The Arabic name for both the comparative and superlative degrees is af'alul tafsil. Tafzil.
Correct.
Should it be taf'il or tafzil?
Tafdil.
Tafzil. Walakinna, but is one of the sisters of inna, so acts like inna. For example, Bilalun mujtahidun, walakinna hamidan kaslan. Bilal is hardworking, but Hamid is lazy.
Correct.
Akhi mutazawwijun, walakinna adhabun.
Walakinni.
Walakinni adhabun. My brother is married, but I am a bachelor. Sayarati qadimatun, walakinnaha qawiyatun. My car is old, but it is strong.
Excellent.
Ka'anna is one of the sisters of inna. And so the noun following it is mansub. It means it looks as if. Example. كان الإمام مريض. It looks كأن الإمام مريض. It looks as if the Imam is sick. من هذه الفتاة؟ كأنها أختك. Who is this girl? It looks as if she is your sister.
Right?
كأن هذه السيارة له. It looks as if this car belongs to him. كأنك
So over here now, كأن هذه السيارة. So هذه السيارة, هذه and سيارة together is the ism of كأن. lahu is jar and majroor and is the khabar of كأن. Is that clear?
Okay.
So can you see the السيارة having a fatah with fatah? Why is it getting a fatah? Because it's the ism of anna. Because
Yes.
هذه is ismul ishara, and السيارة is badal or musharun ilay. So هذه السيارة, this is one compound together now, a composition together. So the haraka هذه, because it's an indeclinable noun هذه, the haraka what هذه should get is transferred to السيارة. So هذه should get a fatah, so that is transferred to السيارة.
Okay. كأنك من الهند. You seem to be from India.
Correct? Jazakallah. Is that clear for you?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, right. Next person will be Sister iPad. I think is Butul Manji.
Ji, salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Go ahead. I want you to read from 4 numbers in 11 to 20. Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The numbers from 11 to 20 with masculine madud, these numbers are compound. These consist of two parts. The madud is singular, mansub, example. Ahada ashara kaukaban, 11 stars. Tis'ata ashara kataban, 19 books. Is it kataban or kitaban?
Kitaban.
Kitaban. We will deal with these numbers under 4 heads. Numbers 11 to 12. Here both parts agree with madud. Example, ahada ashara taliba. No.
Taliban.
Taliban. 11 male students. So ashara is singular and Taliban is also singular, right?
Yep.
Ahda asharata talibatan, 11 female students. Afna ashara taliban, 12 male students. Ithnata asharata talibatan, 12 female students. Number from 13 to 19. Here the second part agrees with the madud and the first part does not. Thalathata ashara taliban. So thalathata is female, but asharata taliban are both masculine. Thalathata asharata talibatan.
Right.
Salasa will become masculine here and the rest will become feminine.
Correct.
As you can see in Thalathata Asharat Taliban, the Madud Taliban is masculine. So the second part of the number Ashara is masculine, while the first part Thalatha is feminine as indicated by the Tamarbuta ending. In Thalatha Asharata Talibatan, the Madud Talibatan is feminine. So the second part of the number Asharata is also feminine, while the first part, thalatha, is masculine as indicated by the absence of ta marbuta. In this lesson, we learn these numbers only with the masculine madud. We will learn them again with feminine madud in lesson 6. These numbers are mabni, indeclinable. In other words, they do not change to indicate their function in the sentence. This will become clear by comparing the numbers from 3 to 10 with these numbers.
Excellent. Thank you. Next person I'm going to bring on the mic. The next. Siti Sharabanu.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam, Sheikh. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. From Indi, Thalath. So tell me what's happening here to the numbers itself. Indi, Thalathatu, Rialatin.
Salasatu riyalatin. So it looks like, is that muzaf ilay?
Yeah, Thalathu is mudaf and Rialatin is mudaf ilay. But the number Thalathatu is feminine. Now, the word Riyal, the singular, so you always look at the singular. So the singular or Riyal is masculine. So because the singular is masculine, the number, even though the word Riyalat is plural, feminine, we look at the singular. If the singular is masculine, the numbers will come feminine. If the singular is feminine, then the numbers will be masculine. So here, Thalathatu Riyalatin, I have
3 riyals.
So here, Indi is mudaf ilay, Indi, and Thalathatu Riyalatin is also mudaf ilay. So Indi, Thalathatu Riyalatin, I have 3 riyals. And the next one, Uridu. Now you will see here, Uridu Thalathata is coming with a fatah. Why is it coming with a fatah? The previous one came with a dhamma, now Thalathata with a fatah. Why?
It's the object of the verb uridu.
Excellent.
I want.
Correct.
Okay. So uridu thalathata riyalatin. I want 3 riyals. So riyalatin again is as you explained, we look at the plural form or the singular form, and it's masculine, so this will come as a feminine plural. And it's muzaf ilay as well, Sheikh?
Correct. It's mudaf ilay, and it's the object for uridu. What are you wanting? 3 riyals. Continue, please.
Okay. Hadal kalamu bithalasati riyalatin. This pen costs 3 riyals.
Correct.
Indi salasata ashara riyalan. Indi, I have 13 riyals.
So what you see here now, the Sharbal, Thalathata is coming feminine. Now, when you do this is 3, but when you do 13, Thalathata comes feminine, but the 10 will come masculine because Riyalan is masculine, so Ashara it comes masculine as well.
Okay, the 2 match, okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay. Uridu salasata ashara riyalan. I have 13 riyals.
Correct.
Uridu, or I want, right? I want 13 riyals. Okay.
Yep.
Hadal kalamu bi salasata ashara riyalan. Hadal kalamu. This pen. So why, Sheikh, is there a harf jar there? Bi salasata?
Because they've added harf jar. That's the only reason why.
Okay. Bi salasata ashara riyalan. So this pen is 13 riyals.
Correct.
Note that itna and itnata commence with hamzatul wasal, and it is omitted in pronunciation when preceded by a word. Okay. The number 20 is ishrun it has the same form for both masculine and feminine ma'dud. The ma'dud is singular mansub. Example, ishruna talibatan, ishruna taliban.
Correct. In both cases, when you do ishrun for masculine and feminine, it's the same.
Okay.
Right.
We will, okay. You want me to
confirm that ma'dud, it means number, does it?
No,
Ma'dud,
ma'dud means a thing which has been counted.
the thing that's been counted. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Right.
Sheikh, can I ask you a question, please?
Yes, go ahead, Zinu.
هذا الكلام بثلاثة عشر ريالا.
Yep.
So if it's بثلاثة, then why is it fatha and not kasra?
Okay, good question. Great question. What's happened here is that numbers from 13 to 19,
yeah,
they're mabni.
Oh, they are mabni.
Yeah. So that's the reason why they don't change their harakat.
Oh,
That's the only reason why.
thank you.
Right. Can I request? I'm going to request who's here now. Let's bring Sister Sadiqa Zebun Nisa as well there. Okay, Sister Sadiqa, half of it you do it, and half of it is Zebun Nisa. Go ahead. Where's it gone? We are on number 5. You read number 5, and then I'll get the vocab to be done. Go ahead, Sister Sadiqa. Sister Sadiqa. Sister Sadiqa answering. Sister Zebun Nisa, go ahead.
Okay, number 5, you said, Maulana, sorry?
Yes, yeah, go ahead. Number 5.
Yeah. The word for the first is awalu, ordinal numbers from 2 to 10 are formed on the pattern of fa'ilun, thalithun,
Right.
third, rabi'un, fourth, khamisun, fifth, sadisun, sixth, second, thani.
Yes. So it comes with the ya is dropped.
Okay. Which is original thaniyun. So the ya is dropped.
Correct.
Like ghalin in lesson 1, which is alif and lam. It is
No. In lesson 1 with alif lam, it is athani. So
okay.
If it comes with alif lam, then the ya it remains. If it's without alif lam, the ya is dropped, so it becomes thanin or ghalin.
Okay.
Number 6, 7, and 8. Alaysa.
Alaysa
Kadhalika, isn't it like that?
Kazalika, is that so? If the student is asked, Anta talibun alaysa Kazalika,
Correct.
the answer is Bala. We will learn more with Bala in lesson 6. Antu ayyuhuma, which of the two? Example, ayyuhuma akhuka fil fasli talibani
Yep.
min
Faransa.
Firansa. Ayyuhuma akhuka. There are the two students from France in this class. Which of them is your brother?
Excellent. Number 8.
Number 8. The two broken plural forms, mafa'ilu and mafa'ilu, like fanadiku, Gino, are called muntahal
jumu is a term.
Muntahal jumu.
Yeah. So there's a term which is used for plurals which are on the patterns of mafa'ilu, fanadiku, and fanajinu. So this is just the name which is given to that.
Okay.
Thank
So
you for that. I'm going to ask Sister Abu Nisa to read the vocab, and then I think it's a long exercise, is quite a bit. I won't be able to do it today. I'll need to do next week. Okay, let's go for the vocabulary, and then I will then go through it next week, the rest of it. Go ahead, Sister.
Okay. Okay. Mahja'un is hostel. Kaukabun is star. Fariqun is team. Shaqiqun, full brother. Fil manami in dream. Nafidatun, window. Plural is nawafidu. Sinnun, edge or tooth. Shahrun, month. La'ibun is player. Wasi'un, spacious or large. Shahirun, famous. Famanun, price. Kasla, lazy. The feminine is kaslanu. Feminine of kaslanu is kasla.
Yep. Excellent. Jazakallah. So this is it as the time has expired. So inshallah, we'll finish the actual lesson exercises next week. So inshallah, we'll go through. Okay. Thank you ever so much. Jazakallah.
Sheikh, Sheikh, can you
Yes.
join me in the Monday class too, please?
The Africa class.
Yeah, in the afternoon.
That's the same. That's about the same time as UK time. The Africa class.
The USA 2:15, 2:30.
Okay, you want the USA 2. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'll send that across to you.
Okay,
No
thank you so
much.